everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Deluxe Halloween mystery box. That was a mouthful. Did these go on sale a week ago? 2 weeks ago? I honestly don't know. I was not going to get one. I told myself, no, you don't need a mystery, buy what you want. And then impulse took over and I ordered a deluxe and the next one up, I think it's premium. No, this is premium. That was deluxe. Whatever. I'll have another one coming. I'll have another unboxing video when that one shows up, but I didn't even get tracking for this. It just was here today. So I figured why not get all spookied up and we'll open it together. This box did retail for $40. It promises an $82 value and every mystery box is supposed to contain an exclusive like Halloween Jeffree Star cosmetic item. I don't know if it's Halloween or not, but it says there's an exclusive product in here. So I am excited to see what that is. I'm sure it's probably just some weird lipstick, but I don't know. I love a good mystery. Not really, I hate mysteries. Ooh, I'm nervous. Oh, okay. So, one thing at a time here. We've got a velour liquid lipstick. The shade is Cherry Wet. This is a pretty popular shade, I'm pretty sure. It's like a nice pinky red. I will actually probably use this. Then we have a lip ammunition. This must have been from the Jawbreaker launch because of this beautiful green. The shade is Brown Sugar. Oh, that looks interesting. It's almost like a really pretty goldish topper. Okay. This, the only thing, could this be a highlighting palette or the mini breaker? I don't really know. Oh my god, it's the mini breaker palette. That's pretty freaking sweet. Being the smallest box and coming with a palette, are you joking me? And I don't actually have the mini breaker. I really don't know that I'll be keeping it, but that's really cool. I was not expecting that. All right, and then the Halloween item. It's a velour liquid lipstick and the shade is Soul Sucker. Yes, it's like this glittery black looking shade. Let's swatch it. I'll put it right here. Do Jeffree Star style. That's dope. It's like a blackish shade with orange glitter. I don't know if you can see it or not. Do a bigger swatch. If I didn't already have a spooky lip on, I'd put it on for you guys. Let me sheer it out a little so you can maybe see the glitter. I tried to like sheer it. Yeah, it's like a perfect Halloween lip. It's black and orange. That's really cool. All right, so for $40, let's recap. I got 2 liquid lipsticks, one of them being an exclusive Halloween shade. I got a lip ammo lipstick and then the mini breaker palette. So $82 value. That's probably right. These retail for $18 a piece. I believe his lip ammunition also retails for $18. Maybe it's $16. I don't know. And then I don't remember how much this was. $29? $30? Either way, definitely more than $40 worth of things. I definitely think it was a good deal. I can't believe there's a palette in here. That's so cool. All in all, I'm pretty happy with that box. Man, now I can't wait to see what's in my deluxe one. Anyway, did you guys order one of these boxes? And if so, did you get the same stuff as me? Now I'm gonna have to like go search other reviews and see if all of them are the same or if he like switched it up. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you later. Bye.